How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get super veiny hands, step-by-step guide for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. First exercise is this. Keep going. 50, keep going. 75, no break. We're gonna go straight into this. 50, keep going. 75, no break. We're then going to go into this. We're going to squeeze our hands as tight as possible and hold. It's called the claw stretch, because your hands look like claws. It is great for getting veiny hands. Keep going, keep going. Okay, so that is the workout, you guys. Sorry, that is the first set. That's not the workout. I want you to take a 1 minute break. I want you to redo it. We're gonna do a total of 5 sets. So again, this is beginners. If it was intermediate or advanced, I'd get you guys to do 10 sets, but it's for beginners, so I'm only gonna get you guys to do 5 sets. So do what we just did, take a 1 minute break, redo it, 1 minute break, redo it, do a total of 5 sets. You can do this every single day. So you can do it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I did this workout for about 6 months. Once I got really good at it, then I switched to doing a different workout and for 10 sets. So this workout is really good for beginners to get started. Your hands will get really, really veiny, and then you can move into one of my harder workouts, because I do have harder workouts on here where we do basically 2 exercises for 100 reps, and then we do 10 sets of that, which is way harder than this. But this is good for beginners, you guys. I really, really recommend doing it. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.